Hola, ni Javier, welcome back to my channel. A few days ago, I uploaded another reaction video. Now, Uncle Roger reviewed Great British Bake Off Japanese Week. In that video, we saw some British people made very unique steam buns, right? And I realized, although the buns they made were fucked up, but especially the one who said a katsu curry. But what if I can make it true? I mean, make it a real Japanese food. How about that? Furthermore, yesterday I uploaded another video. Katsu-don. Katsu-don means fried pork steak bowl. Yeah, this one. At that time I already had this idea, so I made extra 2 katsu, small katsu. What I'm gonna do today is 1. Making real Japanese katsu curry bun. So number 2, I wanted to make something like unique. So let me try like takoyaki bun this time. And lastly, the classic plain one. How about that? In Japanese, we call buns as man or manju, which came from Chinese word mantou. So manju should be regarded as Chinese food. But yeah, if I make katsu curry and takoyaki bun, it's gonna be Japanese one, right? So let's get started. Okay, there are today's ingredients. This one is spring onion and the pork, miso pork, boiled octopus, 10% discount, cabbage, and pickled ginger. So these 3 will be takoyaki ingredients. And this one, I just cooked it yesterday. And this is homemade curry leftover. These are today's main ingredients. Before I start making fillings, I have to make dough first. Alright, there are the ingredients for dough. 200 grams of flour, 20 grams of sugar, 4 grams of dry yeast, 4 grams of baking powder, 2 grams of salt, 100 milliliters of water, like warm water, not cold one. Water. And also add 10 milliliters of sesame oil. No, smells good. I've never made dough before. It's really interesting, but I don't know if I'm doing right. It really sticks to my finger. Is it okay? I don't want to waste. Now it looks like this. I have to leave it in a warm place for 15 minutes, like 25 degrees. In the meanwhile, I'm making fillings. Okay, let's start making fillings. I have to make like fine chops. Now it looks like this. Okay, done. And this is means beef and pork. Beef 60%, pork 40%. Pepper, salt, sake, just a little bit, and sesame oil again. Of course, if you like Ajinomoto, the MSG, just a little bit. Because I wanted to add some oyster sauce. 40 milliliters of soy sauce. You can also put grated garlic or ginger, add some flavor. When it gets ready to go, the color will change. The color will be a little bit whiter. Okay, I think it's ready. So this is the main filling. Just a little bit cabbage. And you put your favorite sauce. I use takoyaki sauce. I think water will come out later, so drain water later. Katsu and the curry is already ready, so don't need to do anything. I forgot to chop this picked ginger. I will put some into this takoyaki one. I just wait, I can add some green part here into takoyaki one. Okay.
And state again. It really looks like takoyaki or the okonomiyaki one. Not bad. Okay, now the fillings are getting ready. Okay, I think the dough is also... Oh yeah. It got bigger, yeah? Wow. It's so different. I never touched this kind of stuff before. Kind of fluffy. Ooh. Interesting, huh? Cut it into 4 pieces. This little boy will be Katsu curry bun, okay? This one is going to be takoyaki one. This one will be just plain classic one. This guy will be something interesting. This curry one has to be like curry taste, right? So, the curry powder. How about this? I wish I had this pole, I don't know, the bar, but I don't have it today. He's ready. Now he's ready. For this takoyaki boy, I'll put seaweed. Aonori aosa. Put seaweed. No! That's okay. Yeah, that's too much. Yeah. The takoyaki boy is also ready. This one is just plain normal one. I have an idea. Let's coloring it. I have a red coloring. You know, Nikuman, Butaman, Pizzaman, and Iron Man. So, wanna make something cute? Hmm? Just a little bit. Oh, this is enough.
My finger is coloring now. Come on. Don't be stupid.
Okay, finally it looks okay. Okay, that's it. I have no idea when I'm gonna use this again. He's Mr. Katsukari. This gentleman is Mr. Takoyaki. Okay, he's someone on the street. Let me see this takoyaki. Now I can see some water, so take out some water. Good, this paper sucked the water. Cut it into half. Make 2 cuts manju. Okay, let's put some curry. My homemade, I made this curry. Curry with a little bit potato, carrot. Can you see that? Maybe you can't.
And katsu.
Oh, this is so weird. Katsu curry manju.
I think I need some water. Rugby. I made the cups too big. I should have made it smaller. I can wrap them up. I can wrap them up. The curry's coming out, huh? Oh, please. Don't come out.
I know I'm fucked up, but being creative is not easy. Okay, now Mr. Takoyaki is already like this.
And it's really hard to make it cycle.
Okay, this takoyaki filling. I think I can add some meat as well.
Also, a little bit pork.
Let's try to wrap it up.
This one is way easier than the other one.
I realize I need to put some water here at the edge. Now they look more like bun. Now I'm getting better. I forgot, he's Mr. Takoyaki, so I have to make it Mr. Takoyaki. Hola, ni hao. Okay, yeah, you're Mr. Takoyaki. He's a grumpy Mr. Takoyaki, so make it grumpy. It looks like a dog. Then this is the normal one. normal one. I think I made too much fillings. Sorry, you can't see it, can you? Now finally I get something. Can you see? This is the normal plain classic man. Alright, they are my great works. They're classic pork bun, like butaman. And then these are creative Yuya's curry man, curry bun. Mr. Takoyaki and his dog. Okay, let's start steaming them. Put some water in the pan, frying pan, and lay our cooking paper here. And leave it for 15 minutes. Okay, I think it's ready. Okay. Looks fine. Oh, look at this. How about this? Looks fine, right? Okay, here they are. Let's start eating. Let's open Mr. Takoyaki. Can you see that? It's like this. Let me try. Okay, Mr. Takoyaki was fine. Just normal takoyaki would be better. Okay, then try this katsukari man, katsukari bun. Okay. I don't want to cut myself. Oh, it smells really good. This looks great, doesn't it? Wow. Great. This one is wonderful. Really. Absolutely approved. Wow. And lastly, the normal one. I'll open it. It looks very normal. The taste is like jiaozi dumplings. Really. Not bad, but still. I really like this curry one. It's so good. This is very good. Okay, listen to me, my friend. You don't need to try just normal one and a takoyaki one. Forget about Mr. Takoyaki. Just try this katsukari bun. That guy was right, actually. But yeah, he fucked up anyway. First, check how I cook Katsu-don this video, and try this katsukari bun. I hope you found this video interesting or informative. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and visit our website. We export kokesh dolls. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time.